Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. Infosys is recruiting for the job role of Information Security Engineer in Bangalore campus, or that is in India. So we'll be seeing all the details regarding this recruitment by Infosys in this video, and I'll also show you how to apply for this job recruitment in Infosys. So we'll see all the details. Do not skip this video, watch till the end and get all the details. So let's get started. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. So let's see the recruitment details now. So the role is information security engineer, as I said, and the job location is going to be Bangalore, that is in India, and you don't need any previous work experience to apply for this job role in Infosys. And the only educational eligibility criteria is you should have completed your Bachelor of Engineering. Can be in any field. You just need to have a Bachelor of Engineering degree. That's it. And the service line is going to be information security group. And now let us see some responsibilities that you might get as an information security engineer in Infosys. So you will be working closely with the head of cybersecurity tech ops as well as with the function heads, and you will also be responsible for effective cybersecurity technical implementations and consulting in their organization. And you will also have to develop, support and maintain a broad suite of information security infrastructure standards, and you will also have to participate in the planning, design, installation and maintenance of security systems, and you will also have to develop, test and maintain security practices of various technologies used by them in various projects. And then you also have to develop enriched knowledge base of various technologies used in the organization. You also have to ensure that adequate security recommendations are provided to the business engagements, and you also have to evaluate the business requirements against any security best practices and support it with exceptions. And then you also have to ensure that the software used by the different teams in business are classified, and security risk around the softwares are informed to them priorly. And then you also have to work closely with the other business units and the subsidiaries to address other information security issues associated with them. So you have a lot of responsibilities as an information security engineer in Infosys, and these are just samples. You might have a lot more work to do because this is one of the top level company. You can't just expect to sit around and get your salary. You have to work hard if you get selected for this job role. And these are some certifications which will help you get this job. So it is not mandatory to have these certifications, but if you have these, it will give you some advantage. So the certifications are Microsoft Certified Professional, Microsoft Certified System Engineer, Red Hat Certified Engineer, Cisco Certified Network Associate, Wireshark Certified Network Analyst, Certified Ethical Hacker. And apart from these certifications, if you have the understanding of ISO 27001 standards, it will also be an added advantage for you to get this job. And the technical and professional requirements that Infosys is looking for is you should have a good understanding of different operating systems like Windows, Linux and Mac, and you should have in-depth understanding of various protocol suites, and you should also have understanding of web application and RDBMS and NoSQL database platforms, and you should also know how patches are managed by the various vendors, and you should also have knowledge in static and dynamic file analysis and memory analysis, and you should also have a good understanding of virtualization, cloud and mobile platforms, and you should have the ability to use the open source intelligence tools, and then you should be able to automate the daily routine tasks that is assigned to you. And here they have given some preferred skills. So the preferred skills are information security management, information security audit, information security compliance, and ISO 27001 audit implementation, and ITSM audit for our ISO 20000. And one more important thing is the location might even change depending upon the business requirements or in Infosys. So this is something which you should definitely know before applying for this job role. So now we have seen the details. Now let us move on and see how to apply for this information security engineer job role in Infosys. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel still, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job updates, internships, workshops and other online events happening around the world. And now let us see how to apply for the information security engineer job role in Infosys. So this is the career website page. So what we have to do is first we need to create an account. If you already have account, you can just give your login details and log into Infosys website, or else you can also log in with your Google account, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter account. And if you are a new user, you have to register first. So for that, just click on register here, click on it, and then you will be landing on another page where you have to fill in some details like first name, last name, or your email ID, and then you have to set your password for your account, and then check this box and then click on the submit button. So once you give all your details and click on that submit button, you will be redirected to the sign in page like this. And you will also get a mail like this from the talent acquisition team of Infosys. And in that mail, you will get a link like this. Please click here to update your password, verify your email address. So to verify your email address, we have to click on this link here embedded on here. So just click on here, and then your account will be verified. You have to click on this, click here to proceed. So that's it. Now our account has been updated. So what we have to do is we have to go to the login site again, and then provide our email address, and then give the password, and then click on the login button. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. And once you log in, you will see this personal information page where you have to fill in some details like your name, email ID, and your country code and your mobile number, and you have to add your skills as well. So just add any skills that you have like Python or whatever you have, you can just add it like this. Just type in and add it. And then once you fill in all these details, check this box and then click on the submit button. And then you will see this privacy and data protection details. Just go through this and then click on accept and proceed. So now we are logged into the Infosys Careers website. So what you have to do is just search for that role, information security engineer. Just type in information and click on the search button. You will see that here on the fourth one, information security engineer at Bangalore. So just click on it, and then you will be seeing all the details which we saw earlier. Just scroll down and click on the apply button here. So once you click on it, you will be going to another page like this where you have to fill in your date of birth, preferred interview city, current previous employer. If you're a student, you can just type in not applicable, and then you have to give your total experience in years. No experience required for this job role. If you already have, you can give it, and then you have to add your skills, and you also have to give your mobile number, and then you have to upload your resume. And then if you have already worked in Infosys, you just have to turn this on and then click on the apply now button. Sorry, this apply button. So you have to fill in all the details, upload your resume, and click on the apply button. This is how you need to apply for this information security engineer job role in Infosys. So I hope you will find this video useful. If you want to get more free online courses, job updates, internships, and other online events happening around the world, you can just subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about these things. And do not forget to connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.